Apple's new and more affordable iPhone for $399 will be released in the first quarter of next year, said TF Securities analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, CNBC reports. According to him, the iPhone SE2 will have the same processor as the new iPhone 11. It will replace the iPhone SE, released in 2016. He noted that the design of the iPhone SE2 will be similar to the iPhone 8. This suggests that Apple will be able to reuse the details of this phone when updating some internal components, such as the processor and camera. It will come out in silver, space gray and red, Kuo said. In his opinion, the budget iPhone is likely to attract people who still use the iPhone 6 and SIXS, who, according to his estimates, still use up to 200 million people, even though these phones were released 5 years ago. The iPhone 6 and SIXS series are the best-selling iPhone series. About 170 to 200 million people still use the iPhone 6 and SIXS series, Kuo wrote.